morning, guys. I hope you're doing very well. It's Tuesday and my friend has invited me for an afternoon swim and a great catch up. I haven't seen each other in maybe 3 months or something like that. So I wanted to jump on here really quick and do my fit check. Today I'm wearing this black onesie with this beige shorts and little belt. My shoes for today are these News. I think because it's quite hot outside, so I think that will work perfectly. My earrings are definitely these pearls. I'm just wearing a Kenyan man because today is Tuesday and we need to go for mandamano. And then yeah, that's basically it. My hair is my sister locks, but if you look keenly, see I added color to it. I did color. I'm not wearing any makeup and I think I still look very beautiful. So there you have it, my fit for the day. I will try and bring you guys with me. However, privacy's sake, I don't know. I'll see how this goes. Enjoy your Tuesday. See you later. Okay, that looks so good. I'm here. Thank you. Headed for the lift. I think this looks like it. So good. Okay. We're here, number 4. And close it. I'm here. It's so hot outside. In my forehead, gosh. Okay, good luck. They said if they miss me, they will just come to hug you. I said no problem. Enjoy your first day. You guys are all doing this campaign, yeah? A lot of people are doing it. What are you wondering? Your local is so giving. Oh yeah. So photogenic. Please leave posing. Nothing is working. we are walking with Ruben. Yada. How does it feel to be an auntie for a day and go for a walk? I mean, I'm excited. I'm elated. Today has been such a smooth day because he finally accepted that I'm his auntie. And we had some nice, TLC in the house. So happy. Now just doing a walk. And let's see how that goes. Thank you, Rachel. I know.
Wait, you're not listening very well today. Wait. Just wait.
Ruben, why are you fighting with big boys?
He doesn't know his size.
Cut your coat according to your size. Don't fight with big boys. We don't have energy as your mommy.
Even me, I'm scared of big dogs, so I can't even defend him.
Ruben, you're on your own. Did you hear what your mom said?
I can't help you.
Ruben, me neither. She's trying to put... Rachel, please don't do that. Rachel, stop.
It's this crazy dog.
We don't have energy. Did you see the film? I'm trying to pull it.
But this is why I come in here, because when he sees other dogs, he goes mad. One time he saw one here, we were down there, he chased him to the end. Since then, I don't take him off the leash.
Well,
Make a noise. He's small but mighty.
oh, this one is small but mighty. Don't play around with him. That's a good drink. Finish?
Finish, Ruth?
Yes, it's not hot. Why do you fight with big boys is my question to you, Ruben.
Okay, finish. Look how calm he is. Is a girl or a boy? How old is he? 10 years. Look how calm he is. Hello, what's his name?
Yo-yo.
Hello, Yo-Yo.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Say hi nicely.
Just leave.
I'm scared.
No, he'll not say.
I know.
Because
He'll not say anything.
the way he barks.
I know.
They just want to
Oh,
say.
wait. He is so calm.
He's, I think, a small.
He's 3 months. He's a baby.
He
Yeah, such a baby.
just wants to play, have friends.
But the way he barks.
No, that's normal. Just likes to be friends.
Oh, Rachel.
Me, I'm a scaredy cat.
I know. Rachel, we are moms. We cannot be scared. Oh my
What's
God.
her name?
It's Ruben. He's a
Ruben.
boy. Yeah.
Ruben.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's a boy. Ruben.
It's very hot for him actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is hot.
For these 3 months, I don't think he wants to be outside. Try to shave him.
Yeah. I did, you know?
Yeah, just the other day.
Yeah, try to shave him more, and for next 3 months keep him indoor because it's very hot. For
Okay.
these dogs, it's very, very, very hot.
Yeah.
Yes, they have too much of hair.
Too much. This is half. We went to the groomers 2
Yeah.
weeks,
Yeah.
and they said because he's a baby not to shave too much.
No, it was better. You should have shaved it.
Yeah, I told them.
Oh my god,
Just take him out only for relieving himself and then take him
back to the house.
Yeah, because it's very hot for him. Even for him also, I don't take him out for very long. Only when he just frees himself and then back to...
How often does he use the toilet?
I bring him 3 times. Like early morning, now, and before he sleeps in the night.
Yeah, he wheezes like 10 times a day. Very
Yeah,
well.
because he's very
Baby,
small.
yeah, yeah.
He's a baby. He slowly he will take his time.
Yeah. And like at night, he just sleeps.
He used to do for first 6 months. He used to pee and poop and on the sofa itself.
Still gonna be okay.
No, he'll be fine. We're not going to sleep there. We'll be back. Rachel, where are you taking me?
To the pool for a little tea.
And what are you carrying? Some snacks for us?
Watermelon and grapes and good vibes.
You are good vibes already. I love your shades.
Thank you.
Giving. Yeah. Let's go and do this. What's the time, Rachel? Maybe
It
6?
is
7?
7.
7. We're going to the pool. Listen, this is a day in the life of a teacher. On holiday. Couldn't be happier. So in love with my glasses, Rachel.
In my building.
It's okay, yeah. Actually very accessible. It's just a few. Why is this so dark? Can't even be seen. Rachel, what time is it?
It is currently 9:41.
What time did we leave home? It was like maybe 6.
Maybe,
Yeah, maybe around 6 thereabouts.
So we're just gonna head back
I know.
to the dog
I know, gosh.
and
Definitely miss that.
relax
Relax.
even more.
Relax even more.
Yeah.
Probably dance, eat, dance again, then maybe
Very.
pass out because people sleep at night. Because people, we would do without sleep, but I mean, people need to rest. So,
Yes,
it
thank you
was
for tuning
nice.
in to our channel.
We'll see you again. Stick around for more. Heading home. Stepping outside to go and get a few groceries before I can exit. So I'm glad she's not coming because I get to buy her a congratulations gift. Initially she said she was going to come and I wasn't very happy about the idea, but I couldn't say no. But I know she was. And like she said she can't come. I was like, I gotta go. I'm having ideas. I'm thinking I should take the buggy, but I could be easily arrested because I can see the police car right there. Personally, don't like to say goodbyes, but life is about stuff like that. So this is me living, going back to where I came from. And yeah, until next time, it's been real. Until next time, it's been real.